Hi kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about the use of am, is and are. Am, is and are also known as helping verbs or verbs to be. When to use am? We use am only with I. For example, I am a boy. I am 5 years old. I'm going to school. When to use is? We use is with he, she and it. For example, he is a painter. She is a doctor. It is a beautiful flower. We also use is with singular nouns. For example, Rina is doing her homework. The deer is eating grass. The crow is sitting on the tree. This pencil is broken. When to use are? We use are with you, we and they. For example, you are my best friend. We are going for a picnic. They are playing football. We also use are with plural nouns. For example, Bobby and Joby are brothers. The kittens are playing each other. The books are kept in the shelf.